Okay guys, and this just builds on what you did in the first set of problems for this lesson. So this is percent increases and decreases with expressions. So the difference is, in this text it says write an expression in terms of x that represents the total amount that Samuel paid. And this is a problem about Samuel going to a restaurant. So we have tax and tip involved. You guys probably have run into this in real life, whether you work in a restaurant or you've eaten at one, right? So he's going to a restaurant and the subtotal on the bill was X dollars. So X dollars, subtotal means before tax. And then 8% tax is applied to the bill. And then he's going to tip 18%, which is a bad tip for the record. Well, it's not terrible, but 20% is the go-to. It also makes your math easier if you tip 20%. Okay, so what we need to do, right, is we need to represent the tax and the tip, but the difference here is we don't know what the bill was. We're still going to use our shortcut of multiplying by 1 plus r. Okay, so in this case, we do, for the tax, 1 plus, well, the tax is 8%, so 8% is 0.08. And then the tip also increases the bill, right? So we do, in that case, 1 plus 0.18. Okay. So here's my tip, here's my tax. And then I just simplified some, so 1 plus 0.18 becomes 1.18 times 1.08 x, right? And then the last thing I would do to make this look very nice is I'd multiply these together. So we're multiplying just across. I get 1.27 for x. Okay, so that's his total bill. So same thing as before. If you flew through the last set of problems, you're going to fly through these as well. The only thing we have to read for is whether we're increasing or decreasing. Okay, so we'll see that in this one. So here he's buying a stock, which most of you probably have not done as 16 and 17-year-olds. He's buying a stock that was worth X dollars, and in the first year that he owned the stock, it increases by 24%. So the price of the stock changes, and that's how you make money buying stocks, or that's how you lose money as well. So during the second year, the value of the stock decreased by 36%. So we want to write an expression in terms of x that determines the value of the stock after the 2 years have passed. Okay. So we're still going to do 1 plus r, right? The first year we're going to just do 1 plus 24% increase times, what are we calling the stock? The stock is X dollars. And then the next year, so this is my first year, and then the next year, whatever that outcome is, decreases by 36%. So we're about to find out whether our guy lost money or made money here. So here's my second year. And then just like the last one, we're going to simplify and combine. So I get 0.64 times 1.24 x. And then when I combine those together, that multiplies out to 0.7936. So notice that's like 79%. So our guy lost about 20% of his initial payment, which is tough for our guy Joseph. So this is the value after second year. Okay. Good. You guys are going to crush these, I'm sure, and we'll be able to move on to something harder in our next lesson.